Welcome back to Orison Financial Tutorial. In this episode we will be discussing about the payment, receipts, PDC clearing, etc. Let us begin with the receipts. To open the receipt window, go to the menu Transaction, and click on the receipt. That will take you to the form for receipts, or, you can click on the receipt button right here. In this window, on the left, you can see the list of previous receipts with the voucher summary. And on the right hand side, you can see the specific details of the voucher you've selected on the left. At the top here, you can see the voucher number, date, customer name, the buttons for cash, check, card, and TT. In the middle part of this right side, these are the bills which are allocated to this receipt. And the payment details will appear down here. And below that, the account summary and the receipt summary will be shown. Now that we know the structure of the receipt window, let's see how to create a receipt. Click the plus icon or press the F6 button to create a new receipt. The date and voucher number will be generated automatically. You can change the date if it is necessary. Select the type of account from this list. Then click on the box below the voucher number to select the customer account. Press Page Down button in the keyboard to list accounts, and you can filter the account by entering the account name or the code. Once you select the desired account, all unpaid bills associated to the party will be shown in the grid. Then choose the mode of payment from these buttons. If the customer is making the payment by cash, click on Cash or press the F9 key in the keyboard. For checks, click on Check or F10 key on keyboard. Detailed explanation of these payment modes will be explained later in this video. After you entered the payment details, mark the appropriate bills which are allocating to this receipt, and click Save or press F7 button to save the receipt. You can see the balance of party, paid amount, and allotted amount at bottom. Now, let us move on to payment. The form and the entries are almost similar to the receipt. On the left-hand side of this window, these are the previous receipts with voucher summary. At right, on the top, you can see the voucher number, date, supplier name, and the buttons for different payment modes, cash, check, card, and bank transfer. In the middle, you can see the bills that are allocated to this payment. The payment details will appear at the bottom part of the right side panel. You can also see the account summary and the payment summary below that. Creating an entry in the payment form is same as the receipt, so refer to that part of the video if you need directions. Let's see how the different payment modes works. First, the cash payment. Click on Cash button, or press F9 button. That will pop up a windows, then select suitable cash account in account name field. You can use Page Down key on the keyboard to list the accounts, and you can choose from that. Enter the amount and description. Description is optional. Then press Enter key twice or click OK button to save and close. Another method of payment is checks. To enter the check details, click this button here, or, you can use the shortcut F10 key. Then type in the check details, such as check number, check date, bank name, total amount, description, then the company's bank or PDC account, that is the bank account of the company where deposit this amount goes to. Bank name is the customer's bank name. You can either enter it manually or use Page Down key to list the bank names and choose from that. Select PDC account in bank or PDC account if it is not directly going to the bank. Deposit to is our bank name and it is optional. If you need to keep a soft copy of the check, click the image button, then press Enter key twice or click the OK button to save and close this window. Next is the card payment. Press the F11 key or click on the button Card to enter the card details. Click in place of card name and press Page Down key, then you can select the card from the list, then enter the commission rate if you are taking any commission. Enter the amount, then the total amount will be of the sum of commission and the amount. After that, select the account and enter the description. Press Enter button twice or OK button to save and close. Finally, we have the TT payment, which is the bank transfer. To enter the transfer data, click on the button TT or press the F12 key on the keyboard. Then enter the TT number, account name, amount, and description. Moving on to the PDC. In Orison, we have a full-fledged PDC module. PDC clearing helps us to clear all the PDCs, which are ready to be posted. For that, click on the PDC in toolbar, or PDC clearing from the menu transaction. In the PDC clearing window, on the left side you can see the previous vouchers. On the top of the grid, you can see the bank account, to which the checks are posted, and the grid below that contains the checks that are cleared. To clear a PDC, click on the plus icon or press F6 key. Current date will appear automatically in the date field. Change the date if the posting date is different. Then select the bank, and all the checks that are yet to be posted will appear on the grid, with the check details, like check no, check date, party name, amount, and so on. Let's consider the company has multiple bank accounts. In that case, when we change the bank account, checks that issued from that bank and all the received checks will appear on the right side. Also, we have the provision to search the checks from the list using check number. Once you have the desired checks listed, put tick marks to the checks which are required to be cleared, and click on Save button or press F7 key. Then, we have the check register where you can view and manipulating checks. To go to the check register, click on the checks from toolbar, or you can select checks from the menu register. On the left side, you can see different kinds of filters. You can search the checks based on the voucher date or check date. Select the corresponding radio button, and enter the dates. Also, you can filter the checks by their status. You can see different check status, such as not posted, posted, bounced, soft bounced, hold, and so on. If you know the exact check number, you can enter it and click search. On the right hand side, you can see list of checks with the check number, check date, voucher number, posted date, posted voucher number, status, received amount or issued amount, account name, etc. To change the status of a check, right-click on the check, then a pop-up will appear with the list of status. Set as bounces for bouncing a posted check. In case of returning the check to the party, select Return to Party, Clear as Cash. For collecting cash and giving the check back to the party, set as Hold. For holding the check up to a particular date, Redeposit. For bounced checks, etc. Let's see how the bank reconciliation works in Orison. To open this, select the bank reconciliation from the menu Transaction. Bank reconciliation is the process of matching the balance in the company accounting records to the corresponding information on a bank statement. The goal is to ascertain the differences between the two and to make changes to the accounting records accordingly. In here, enter the date and account, then click on Go button to list the transactions. All the transactions of the account with the details will appear the grid on the right-hand side. The data includes the date, voucher number, reference number, check number, description, account name, reconciled date, debit, credit, and balance. For already reconciled entries, the reconciled date will appear in the grid with tick mark. To reconcile the entry, after comparing with the bank statement, put tick marks and click Save button. At the bottom, you can see different balances, as per book, not cleared and cleared. If you have a different criteria to list the transactions, you can filters on the left side respectively. Orison provides wide range of customized reports, that belongs to accounting, as well as inventory module. These can be seen under the Register and Report menus. Under Register menu, you can see Financial Register, Payment Register, Receipt Register, Checks Register, Stock Register, Purchase Register, Sales Register, Customer Supplier Register, Item Register, Custom Registers, and so on. And Reports menu includes the account statement, Consolidated Report, Consolidated Aging, Consolidated Monthwise Report, VAT Report, Trial Balance, Profit and Loss Statement, Balance Sheet, Inventory Reports, and so on. Print option is available for all the registers and reports. Let's have a look at some of the reports. 1. Statement of Accounts. 2. Consolidated report. Three. Consolidated aging. Four. Trial balance. Five. Profit and loss. Six. Balance sheet. Seven. Financial register. Eight. Sales register. For shortcuts and help, go to Help menu in Toolbar where you can see the list all the shortcuts available.
If you need further information and support, please feel free to reach us. Contact us any of these numbers, or drop an email with your contact details. Our support team will get back to you.